Listen up, people Jeremy. Something massive just happened behind the scene. We are officially in mid-May 2026, and the final major token unlocking phase has wrapped up. If you've been wondering why the charts are looking ready for a start, this is the catalyst. For months, the market has been sitting in a heavy accumulation cycle, with tokens slowly releasing, but that supply overhang is officially done. The selling pressure from early distribution is clearing out, meaning the circulating supply is locked in. The table is set. For the 1M baby Doge, you need to make a serious move. Over 51% of the maximum supply is already sitting in the burn address, and it's permanently gone. When you combine zero upcoming unlocks with a deflationary burn, the math points straight to scarcity. The accumulation pace is wrapping up, and the true holders are still standing. Are you ready for the next cycle?